All right, I'm going to go over how to set up your navigation menu with the special day theme. So, if you've imported the demo data, you will have the menu already created, and that is going to be in this. All that is going to be managed in the same location. So, let's dive into our dashboard, and I'll go over some examples of how to create a menu or how to edit an existing one. So, all of this is managed under Appearance and Menus. And if you've imported the demo data, you've already got the main navigation, and you can start editing that right away. However, I'm going to start from the beginning. So let's go ahead and click Create a New Menu. We'll call this New Menu Tutorial, and click Create Menu. And let's go ahead and you can just add pages to this by selecting them and clicking Add to Menu. And you can drag and drop to reorder them, or click this down arrow and go to remove them. So let's go ahead and click Save Menu. And then right now, if we open up the site in a new tab, let's go ahead and do that so we can tab back and forth. And you'll notice the old menu is still there, or in your case, if you don't have a menu, it's blank. Now to tell the theme how to use this new menu tutorial that we created, just go to Manage Locations and go under Primary Menu and select whatever menu you want. In our case, it's New Menu Tutorial. Now if we save that and refresh, you'll get that new menu with the 3 menu items that we created. And now we can go under Edit Menus, and let's go ahead and add a couple more pages and click Save Menu. And you can see that's kind of really simple how you can build your navigation menu for your site. So a couple other things to go over is drop-down menus. So let's say we wanted to have a sub-menu under Contact. It's pretty easy. You just grab your grab whatever you want to place underneath there and indent it, and you'll see it'll snap. Once it's snapped to indented, you'll see that it is now underneath Contact. So let's go and just throw all 3 of these under Contact, and we'll save the menu, and you can see how that works. Now Contact has blog, sample, and gift registry underneath it. And let's go ahead and do another drop-down example. Let's place one under gift registry. Now you just scroll to the side and it'll snap, and once it's snapped underneath, you've got your drop-down. So very simple to create drop-downs under menu items. Of course, if you want to remove them from the drop-down, just start at the last one and indent them back. The last thing I want to go over is if you click on this down arrow right here, you'll see there's a menu icon option. And if you click on this, it gives you a list of all the icons you can use. So you can use any of these icons on your site. So for instance, if you want to use this tags icon, just type tags under menu icon there. And then let's add one for contact. There is an envelope one. So we'll type in envelope for that menu icon. Click Save Menu. And now when you refresh your site, you will have icons in the menus. That's just optional, but it seems to be a popular feature, so we added it to all of our themes. So that is going to cover how to create and manage your menu.